In this video, I'm going to go over DEVVE. This is a special request from one of my VIP members. We're going to go over DEVVE and we're going to see what I think about this project. For starters, let's go to coin market cap. This is going to be an unedited version of this video. So the market cap on this is 126 million market cap. So it's fairly small. When did it come out? This was back in 2024. Let's go to all. 2024, it's February, so almost a year. Had a really nice run up. Then, of course, a sell off. Not to worry. Then a nice little pump over here back in October 2024. And then a slight pump in November. And then now it's booming. Why is it booming? Let's go down here to the tags. We have marketplace, real estate, gaming, payments. So it's all over the place. All right. Let's go ahead and see what else we got. We're going to look at their X. So on their X, this is them. They've been around since 2014. They only have 34,000 followers. So for me, this is a red flag. They are followed by somebody that I follow. And they do have a video that was posted a few months ago. They pinned this 7 hours ago. So they're active. 7 hours ago, they posted this. We're going to see what it is in just a moment. Then the 9th, which was yesterday, they posted something else. A lot of views and pretty nice feedback as far as engagement goes. The day before that, they posted something else. Once again, right around the same amount of likes. That's nice, right? So this kind of looks fishy. I mean, I normally don't see something with the same amount of likes. Some of them will be 300, some will be 150, some will be 200, some will be 35. For this one, it's an average of around 300 every single time. So this to me is kind of a red flag. It could be something good though. So let's not beat them up too much. Now let's go to their website. So what is their website? Their website, this is DEVVE, unlocking global digital assets, making the impossible possible. Okay, so I like their website. Website's nice big font. Every asset, every market, unlocking value with DEVVE, the world's fastest, smartest, most scalable and affordable layer one. Explore the ecosystem. See, we make the impossible possible. We've gone over that. Evergreen fund. Okay, going down here. Again, this is going to be unedited. And I've kind of looked at this already. So here's a video on DEVVE. I must have watched this some time ago because I watched it up to about this part right here. And then I stopped. Now, the reason I stopped is because this has to do with basically saving the planet, in my opinion. Granted, it's a very quick watching of this, and I did watch it kind of towards the end, and they're talking about, more about planet type stuff. For me, it's too narrow of a niche, however you want to say it. I don't care how you say it. But this is too narrow of a sector for, in my opinion, the masses. So people who are interested in saving the planet will be interested in this if they're in crypto. So again, you're narrowing down your audience by a lot. Let's come back over here. What else can we see? Let's go to their markets. Where are they located? MEXC, and that's it. So they've been around for a year already, and they're only on MEXC and Gate.io, but I mean, Gate.io is very small. The 24-hour trading volume is nothing. So these are red flags to me. Nobody's talking about it. Nobody's interested in it. Could you make money on this? Definitely. Let's show you how you can make money. Well, look at the chart. The chart is just screaming money. Now, granted, this is a very small market cap, just over 100 million. So anything can push this up or push it down. Let's go ahead and look at some of the levels. I do see possibly a pullback, and this is just because people are taking profit who bought down here and here. Nice run up, very small pullback, which in my opinion is amazing. I would expect it to come back down to here. Now with this run up, I would expect it to come down here. Let's do a fib retracement. Let's go from the swing low to possibly, this might be the swing high. We don't know yet. We have to wait for several days to pass to see if it does come down, which would make this a pivot. And then now this is valid. If this continues going up, well, then this will also have to go up until we create that pivot. For the golden pocket, we're looking right in this area. I would like to see it at least come down to the 382 level. So a retracement of around 32%. Would I enter this coin right now? Definitely not. For one, me personally, I would not enter it just because I don't see this catching a lot of people's attention. For me, it's very important to go where the attention is. Can this make money? Sure. We've seen it before. Look at all this. Making a lot of people, well, I wouldn't say a lot of people, making people money. Let's go to a smaller time frame. I'm looking for more ups and downs. Here we have a nice level. So let's go and draw our box. So this right here is a nice level of support / resistance. If the price action is above it, this serves as a support. If it's underneath it, it serves as resistance. I do see that the price action, we have a lot of selling pressure. And again, that's normal because people who bought down here, they're selling, they're in profit. If you're in this coin, I would strongly recommend taking profit. Take profit on the way up. Very important. Really nice. This right here is, again, a really nice zone. So I see this to be a really nice zone. If the price action breaks below this, I would expect it to come into this level. So this is what I would expect it to do. Something like this. This is our decision point. Is it going to break down, which I would assume that it would, and find support on the 382 or possibly even this level right here, just above the 0.5? Is it going to do this? If so, what you could do, I won't, but what you could do is enter here once it breaks above this level. Or is it going to only retrace here to break out of this box and then now use the box as support and continue up? If that's the case, I would enter here if I was interested in this coin. But again, I'm not. I do have a bias because I want to go where the money's at. I want to go where the people are at. If this is a very, very tight area as far as attention, in my opinion, it's not worth my time. I'd rather be in other coins that are going to do or have a greater chance of doing well. This one, again, not to knock it, this one can continue making people profit. There's very little traders in this coin. We saw that earlier. And for that reason, it just doesn't interest me. But if you were going to enter this coin, my recommendation, of course, not financial advice, wait for a pullback. I would check this on this coin in about 5 to maybe 7 days to see what it does. If it does come down here, if it breaks underneath it, I don't think it will, but if it breaks underneath this, watch out, because now you're looking for a massive, massive retracement to approximately here. Make sure my tool is on. Anywhere between, and this is kind of like a zone. I like doing zones. So anywhere between here and here. Let's go ahead and extend this out so we can get where I want. I don't want the wicks. I want the candle bodies. So anywhere from here, again, this is going to be an unedited version. And then this will be our top of the box. Send this out. Perfect. So this is what I'm looking at. If we do break this area, and I don't think we will, I really don't. But this is the area that I would think that it would pull back to if it did. And this is a major pullback. So we're looking at around a 70% pullback. Again, I don't think it'll happen. But if you're in this coin, or if, let's say you're thinking about entering this coin, I would definitely be looking for an entry right around this area. I would also set an alert to see potentially if it breaks below this. So what I would do is I would set an alert right here, and then I would just go set alert, and then actually set the alert. And then you can just do a question mark or whatever you want. And then I would also do another alert. So let's clone this. I would set another alert right here. And for this one, it's just to warn me that it's entering this box. And I would do one more alert underneath here. Of course, I'm not going to do it for the video, but I would do another alert here just to let me know that, okay, let's start watching this and see if it does the bounce. That's all I got. I do thank you very much. If you have any questions, please let me know. And of course, you can always reach out to me. Reach out to me on this video. You can do a comment, and much faster on Telegram. So of course, on Telegram, I am there. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And I believe, let's see what this does. All right, so I do thank you very much. And as always, let's make this money. My Telegram is TradeIntuition, trade_intuition. And we can see it right here. One more time. Let's go ahead and bring this up. If I can bring this up. Again, no editing. It's at trade_intuition. If you want to reach out to me. Thank you so much. Take care.